Welcome to the heart of extravagance. In a city built on ambition, speed, and innovation, stands a palace that doesn't just break the rules of luxury, it rewrites them. This is a $100 million dream, sculpted from marble, gold, and vision. Welcome inside one of Dubai's most exclusive private residences, where opulence whispers in every corner, and wealth doesn't ask to be noticed. It demands to be felt. From the moment you step inside, the tone is set. You're greeted not just by a staircase, but a sculptural statement. Custom-forged railings, imported Italian marble, and hand-painted. Ceilings that echo Renaissance palaces. A chandelier so massive it had to be installed through a custom roof opening, made of Swarovski crystals and pure brass. This centerpiece alone is worth more than most people's entire homes. The living area flows like a gallery. Eco-foot ceilings, glass walls that disappear at the touch of a button, and furniture flown in from Paris, Milan, and Tokyo, each piece custom-commissioned. In the kitchen, modern minimalism meets royal flair. Smart appliances vanish into stone walls, gold-trimmed counters, and a walk-in wine cellar that feels more like a private tasting lounge. The master suite isn't a room, it's a kingdom, a bed larger than regulation. Size, silk walls, private balcony overlooking the Palm, and a closet so vast it has its own fingerprint access vault for watches and jewelry. Then, descend into the spa level, an oasis within an oasis. Heated indoor pool, personal hammam.massage room, and a relaxation area with a retractable glass ceiling that opens to the stars. A private garden designed by award-winning landscape architects, AA, helipad, an outdoor cinema, and lighting that shifts color based on the mood you select on your custom-built tablet. This isn't just a house, it's the embodiment of limitless vision,